Pattern, repeated design or recurring sequence. An ordered set of numbers, shapes, or other mathematical objects arranged according to a rule. So, this right here is an example of patterns. So, the first example that is given is 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So, as you can see, their common difference is 4. So, the last term is 20. Just add 4 to the last term and then you will get an answer of 24. So, the next example is circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So, as you can see, the shapes are only alternating pieces. So, the last shape that is given is triangle. Then, the next shape will be circle. Angle of rotation. In mathematics, the angle of rotation is a measurement of the amount, namely the angle that a figure is rotated about a fixed point, often the center of a circle. So this is an example of angle of rotation. So angle of rotation has its own formula, which is 360 degrees over n. So n is only based on the shape that is given. So the shape that is given here is octagon. So the octagon has 8 sides. So 360 degrees over n, which is 8, and then you will get an answer of 45 degrees. So the next example here is hexagon. So hexagon has 6 sides. So 360 degrees over 6, and then you will get an answer of 60 degrees. Packing problems are a class of optimization problems in mathematics that involve attempting to pack objects together into containers. This right here is an example of packing problem. Suppose you have circles of 5 cm radius, then fold a plane with a circle using square packing. This is the solution in square packing. So we have a formula of area of circles over area of square times 100%. So first, we will have to get the area of circles. So the formula is pi r squared. So r is given, which is 5. So you just have to substitute. So pi times 5 centimeters square is you will get an answer of 25 pi centimeters squared. So next, you will have to get the area of the square. So the formula is s squared. So s is 10, which is the diameter of the circle. So 10 centimeters square is you will get an answer of 100 centimeter square. So you just have to substitute 25 centimeter square pi over 100 centimeters squared times 100%, so you will get an answer of 78.54. World population, a mathematical equation that can be used to predict population growth. Formula: exponential growth. A is equals to PE raised to RT. World population. So the population of hometown 2017 was estimated to be 44,000 people with an annual rate of increase of 2.5%. So the question is, what will be the population in 2022? The second is, what will be the population after 14 years? So this is the solution in question number 1. So we have a formula of A is equals to PE raised to RT. So P is given, E is a constant, and R is given to, T is not. So first we just have to get the value of T, which is time. So 2022 minus 2017 is you will get an answer of 5. So that is the value of RT or time. So substitute all the value. So 44,000 times e raised to 0.025 times 5. So you will get an answer of 49,857.886. This is the solution in question number 2. So t is 14 years, r is 0.025. So you just have to substitute 44,000 times e raised to 0.025 times 14. So you will get an answer of 62,436.71. Fibonacci sequence is a set of numbers that starts with 1 or 0, followed by a 1, and proceeds based on the rule that each number is equal to the sum of the preceding two numbers. So this is the example of Fibonacci sequence. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34, 55, and 89. So we have to find the 13th term. So this is the solution. X sub n is equals to x sub n minus 1 plus x sub n minus 2. So x sub n is the 13th term, which is the missing term. So to find it is x sub 13 minus 1 plus x sub 13 minus 2. So you will get x sub 12 plus x sub 11. So substitute the value x sub 12, which is 89, and x sub 11, which is 55, and then you will get 144, which is the x sub 13. Sequence is an ordered list of numbers or other elements like geometric objects that often follows a specific pattern or function. Can be both finite and infinite. So I will give you an example of sequence. So the example here is 1, 6, 11, 16, and 21. So the question is find the 7th term. So here's the solution. The formula is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus d times the quantity of n minus 1. So a sub n is given and a sub 1 is given. So we have to find the d. So the formula to get d is a sub 2 minus a sub 1. So a sub 2, which is 6, and a sub 1, which is 1. So 6 minus 1, and then you will get an answer of 5. So going back, a sub n is equals to 1 plus 5 times the quantity of 7 minus 1. And then next is a sub n equals to 1 plus 5 times 6. Then you will get an answer of 31. Golden ratio is a special number found by dividing a line into two parts so that the longer part divided by a smaller part is also equal to the whole length divided by a longer part.